Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be an unboxing on the POLIVIAR Tea Kettle 2.7 quarts natural stone finish with wood pattern handle. The box is pretty big, pretty close to the camera, but the tripod I'm using can't really move it too well, so I'm just opening it up here. I also got some tea, but tea's not important. It's a kettle more than anything. This is my tea. And here is the kettle. Stainless steel Whistle tea kettle, 2.7 quarts. Okay. See if I got the right one. Nothing's broken. Good packaging. Nice and heavy. Okay. Everything seems good. Tea kettle. There you go. Put on stove, gas or electric. Nice opener. Looks pretty good. It's pretty cool. Looks really nice and seems solid enough. Everything. I like that one. Pour me some tea. Nice. Well, this has been the POLIVIAR tea kettle from Amazon. Oh, I bought it in Amazon for $40 around. Not bad. Looks cool. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.